The clothing in modern society not only has a simple function of protecting the body according to temperature changes, but also becomes an important means to express the identity and personality and the culture and arts. Many companies tend to resolutely withdraw their own brand business, which are less competitive, and expand import distribution businesses in the recent Korean clothing industry. Taerim Apparel has silently developed in this sudden change in the domestic and international clothing industry. Employees in a meeting for the product ordered by a customer. Taerim provides the best solutions for customer satisfaction with excellent product planning capabilities in the concept and the selection of design material. The fabric development team controls a careful analysis and the design process from yarn selection to the shape of the woven fabric and function for the optimal development of materials. The design team can fully present functional and creative designs which meet customer needs. The pattern room carefully works even for one line and one dot to make the most efficient form of pattern suitable for the selected material and the determined design. Our own fabric production plant maintains a strict quality control based on the vertically integrated system from production to distribution and trade. The ordered yarn needs to go through the warping process that it is winding on a drum or beam to supply the warp of the prescribed denier to a knitting machine. The length of each warp will evenly be decided according to the length of the designed fabric. The yarn going through the warping process becomes a raw fabric state through the delicate warp knitting process, which the density or width of the warp is decided according to the design and weaved into the longitudinal direction.
자국 공정 자체가 아주 세심함을 요하는 일이라 정말 많은 주의를 필요로 하는 일인 것 같습니다.
There is a circular knitting process which the yarn is weaved into a cylindrical shape to knit fabric as a method of weave more elastic knitted fabrics. After it is sent to the dye plant in the partnership with use for a long time, the fabric completing the knitting work is dyed in the required color, dried through the post-treatment process, and becomes the final processed fabric. The completed fabric is cut to the pattern after being warehoused. The cut fabric is produced with a sewing machine according to the production process.
제 가족이 입을 옷이라 생각하고 한 땀 한 땀 정성을 다하고 있습니다.
Decoration is added to the clothes with the advanced computer embroidery machine at a customer's request. The product passing through the final processing work in this way is delivered to the customer through a complete work. Taerim Apparel with the non-stop production system from the fabric to the finished clothing product. 1999. Won a contract on the sportswear fabric with the Ministry of National Defense and a contract with Majestic Athletic and Russell Athletic, companies producing and supplying MLB, NFL, and NBA uniforms in the USA. 2002. Won a contract with BAW, an American uniform company. 2002. Received the 5 Million Export Tower Award. 2010. Launched Camista, a sports brand to grow into a luxury sportswear manufacturing company through know-how acquired in the international market. 2013. Established an office in China to start a new aggressive challenge in the Chinese market. Taerim Apparel will do its best even today, without fearing changes with the accumulated clothing techniques and know-how.